The guys at Apple keep coming up with newer versions of their devices with such frequency, and each new version is received with such fanfare by Apple lovers that one can easily forget that even some of the earlier versions of these devices continues to be better than most other products in the market in many ways. These supposedly outdated, but very efficient versions then quickly become available at a fraction of their original price, which is a great bargain for smart users who are more interested in what their gadgets can do rather than the bragging rights owning the latest version of an Apple device can get them. If you are one of these users interested in a good deal on a slightly old product that still works like a wonder, you should find a lot to like in the refurbished Apple iPhone 5S 16GB unlocked smartphone.
Here we go!
This iPhone 5S is a certified refurbished product, which is tested and certified to look and work like new, with limited to no wear. The refurbishing process includes functionality testing, inspection and repackaging, such that it is a completely new device for all practical purposes. This GSM smartphone also comes unlocked, which gives you the freedom to choose your service provider and subscription plan, and is compatible with most standard providers across the US. Beyond this, let's quickly cover the key highlights of the device itself. This beautiful silver-colored phone measures 0.3 inches in thickness and features a stunning 4-inch LED backlit IPS LCD capacitive touchscreen, armed with multi-touch functionality and 640 by 1136 pixel in resolution. It is designed to make work and entertainment equally comfortable. The Corning Gorilla Glass used on the screen makes it a hardy little gadget and protects it from scratches, even if handled roughly. Many other features that have made the iPhone 5S a really popular device are all there. A highly effective 8-megapixel camera with autofocus and dual LED flash at the back, a 1.2-megapixel front-facing camera with face detection for great selfies, built-in sensors like compass, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and gyroscope, Wi-Fi that supports multiple standards of 802.11a/b/g/n, super efficient Bluetooth 4.0, and GPS. The iOS 7 operating system gives you access to hundreds of award-winning apps from the Apple App Store too. Processing power is another strong point of the iPhone 5S, with the Apple A7 chipset, dual-core 1.3 GHz Cyclone CPU, and PowerVR G6430 GPU, giving it a potency not seen even in the most recent phones from many other brands. 16GB storage space and a powerful 1570 mAh battery add to the phone's strength. With all these stellar features, the iPhone 5S continues to remain an impressive player in the smartphone market, and the reduced price of this refurbished unlocked product only adds to its desirability. Let's check out its performance in the user reviews. It has earned an average score of 3.5 on 5 stars from close to 3,600 reviews, which is quite remarkable for a slightly older version of a phone. That's all we have on the refurbished Apple iPhone 5S 16GB unlocked smartphone for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other smartphone reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.